Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. It is a fabulous Friday with all of these non-phone work from home job leads. I know that's what a lot of you are looking for, and this one I have here is very, very exciting to share. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. But this is a healthcare type position. It is customer support, but it is chat and tickets, completely non-phone. So let's just dive on in. The company Support Ninja is hiring a customer service representative for chat support. Now, this is full-time remote work from home in the United States only. They are looking to hire ASAP. Now, one thing to note, they're paying $16 an hour to start out for this position. They are going to provide all the computer equipment for you, so you don't even have to have a computer or a home office setup. You do have to have your own internet connection, though, and they do ask you to be flexible with the hours. They operate from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. U.S. Eastern Standard Time, and so you'll be scheduled for an 8-hour shift within those hours. But the client they are looking for is a software solutions company that automates vision insurance billing. So this is in the healthcare field. I think eyes, glasses, contact lenses, all of the vision things for eligibility and claims to get billed out to the insurance companies. They also facilitate instant rebates to help your eye care providers manage their customers. So eye doctors, those types of things. They are looking for someone to help support their service by monitoring and quickly responding to tickets, so non-phone, regarding insurance claims for eye care concerns. You'll follow a prescribed process and manage a high volume of transactions with accuracy and efficiency. So they already have support documentation that helps guide you through what to do. You need to be able to show empathy and go the extra mile to assist the customers and prioritize their needs. You'll also follow up on outstanding tickets and claims through completion. So if something is outstanding, then you will follow up at a later date to make sure that that gets completed and not just lost in cyberspace. So they are not requiring a college degree for this position. They are looking for someone who has experience in a tech company or a startup, someone who has excellent written communication skills in English, someone who has at least 1 year of experience in a call center or a customer rep role, someone who has a can-do attitude and will take initiative. And of course, you have to have strong attention to detail and be able to work those flexible hours. Now, above that, they're looking for someone who's a problem solver, who has great organizational skills, and can make decisions. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Not everything is for everybody. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.